Hey, grade 7, welcome back. We are going to continue to talk about some different angle properties, continuing off of the ones that we learned already. Okay, we've already talked about complementary angles, right, and how those add up to 90, and supplementary angles. And we've talked also about adjacent angles, right? Supplementary means they add up to 180. Adjacent means that they share a common point in vertex and side, meaning they're right next to each other. Now this diagram details another kind of angle property that we're going to look at, which is that angles at a point always sum to not 90, not 180, they sum to 360 degrees. And you can kind of see that, right? If I look at this example here, it's kind of like a circle all the way around, and we know circles have 360 degrees. Angles at a point, all of the angles at a point always add up to 360. So how do we solve problems that look like this? Well, if I remember that angles at this point add up to 360, then I can add all these different values, right? 4x plus 138 plus 84 is equal to 360. And then I can simplify this, right? So that would be 222 plus 4x is equal to 360. That means 4x is equal to 138. Okay, which means x is equal to, let's see, 25 plus 9.5, so 34.5. I believe that's correct. I did that pretty quickly. Okay. How about this one? Let's try this one. Oh wow, this looks a little bit crazier because we have two variables here. We have b and c. Well, how am I going to solve for both of those? Well, if you remember from last class, we've talked about supplementary angles. Check it out. 4b and 80 are on this straight line right here. It says it's a straight line. So that means that those two are supplementary. That means I can say 4b plus 80 is equal to 180. It means 4b is equal to, if I subtract 80 from both sides, it's equal to 100. That means b, if I divide both sides by 4, is equal to 25. Okay, well, I can put that value right there, 25. And look, again, I have another pair of supplementary angles here. I have this guy, 25, and angle C. And I can add those. C is equal to, and I can set them equal to 180. All right, so that means C is equal to 155. So always be looking for those properties, the 90-degree angles, the 180-degree angles, to make your life a little bit easier. Let's do one more example here. All right, and once again, we have two variables, right? We have m and n. So what are we gonna do here? Well, let's take a look. It says PQ is a straight line. Okay, awesome. Find the value of each variable. Well, since PQ is a straight line, I can see that m and 149 are two angles on that straight line. So those are supplementary angles. M plus 149 is equal to 180. If I subtract 49 from both sides, I get m is equal to 31. Okay, if m is equal to 31, then I can plug in 31 right there. All right, and 3 times 31 is equal to 93. So this angle right here is equal to 93. Notice that n and this angle, which is 93, and 70 are also supplementary. So n plus 93 plus 70 is equal to 180. Means n plus 163 is equal to 180. I'm sorry, n plus 163. If I subtract 163 from both sides, then I get n is equal to 17. Those are our two answers for this question, 31 and 17. Okay, hopefully I didn't go too fast for you guys there. If you have questions about it, always feel free to ask about it in class or send me a message and we can talk more about it later, okay? See you guys in class. Thanks for watching.